PANCS, or non-conventional food plants, are gaining increasing attention among chefs, nutritionists, and people interested in healthy eating. But do you know what exactly these plants are? Essentially, PANCs are edible plant species that are not part of the conventional diet. Often, they are native or locally adapted species, but they are neglected due to lack of popular knowledge or the preference for industrialized foods. However, these plants can be highly nutritious, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they can also contribute to local biodiversity and food sustainability. One of the main benefits of PANCs is nutritional diversity. For instance, ora-pro-nóbis is a plant rich in protein and iron, ideal for complementing vegetarian diets. Tioba, on the other hand, is high in fiber, supporting digestion and gut health. Another example is purslane, which contains omega-3, an essential fatty acid for cardiovascular health. Besides the nutrients, many PANCs have bioactive compounds that help prevent diseases and boost the immune system. Using PANCs in cooking can be simple and delicious. They can be consumed in salads, stir-fries, juices, omelets, and even cakes. Tioba, for example, can be cooked and seasoned like spinach, while purslane can be added to fresh salads or light stews. The variety of flavors and textures allows for unique and surprising dishes. Moreover, cultivating PANCs at home is a sustainable alternative, as many of them grow easily in backyards and urban gardens without needing extensive care or chemical fertilizers. Another interesting aspect is the cultural and ecological revival that PANCs promote. Many of these plants were already used by indigenous peoples and traditional communities, but were forgotten over time. By incorporating them into our diet, we not only increase nutritional variety, but also value local culture and encourage biodiversity conservation. To start using PANCs, it is important to know the species available in your region and how to identify them correctly. Consulting books, courses, or enthusiast groups can be an excellent way to learn. Always check the edibility of leaves, fruits, or roots before consumption. With practice, you can create healthy, economical, and sustainable recipes, taking advantage of nature's best offerings and rediscovering flavors often hidden in your own backyard. In summary, PANCs represent an opportunity for innovation in food, health, and sustainability. They provide essential nutrients, varied flavors, and a direct connection to nature and local culture. Incorporating these plants into your daily diet is not just a trend, but a way to transform your relationship with food, valuing what is natural, nutritious, and often forgotten. Try them, discover new possibilities, and encourage friends and family to explore the world of PANCs. Change starts at the table, and PANCs can be the first step toward a more conscious and diversified diet.